Hey guys, Matthew Freedom here. Just doing a quick video on how to fix a loose faucet. This is for a kitchen sink. That ain't gonna cut it. What you need is a plumber or a tool, kind of like this. See, this arm actually flips over. You can buy these at your local home store. This is kind of a tight space, so I'll do my best to show you what's going on. Okay, so we got it in here. And this thing kind of just doesn't work itself. Pretty awesome. So twist. I'm probably gonna need two hands for this, but you can see the general motion. This claw will grab and twist this nut and tighten it. And as you can see, now we're good. Hope that was helpful. Have a great one. Please like and subscribe.